Frozen desserts are a treat during summer. Today I'm making two types of sorbet, mango and lemon. Let's begin. We're going to start by making our sugar syrup. I'm adding half a cup of water to this pot. And to this now I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. The only reason that we're making a double sugar syrup is so that the sugar melts completely and we don't have any kind of crystal. To cool down the sugar syrup, we're going to add ice to it. So I have measured my ice as per half a cup of water with 1 cup of sugar in this. This makes a simple sugar syrup. The sugar syrup has started boiling and there are no more sugar crystals left in it. I'm going to switch off the flame and pour this on some ice. The ice has melted completely and our simple sugar syrup is ready at room temperature. Let me quickly show you how to make lemon sorbet. I have juice of 3 lemons over here which I'm adding to this bowl. You can add more or less as per your choice. Now to this I'm going to add 1 cup of simple sugar syrup. Give this a good mix and your sorbet mixture is ready to freeze. The amount of sugar that goes into your sorbet is very important. If you add too much sugar, your sorbet is never going to freeze up. If you add very little sugar, it's not going to taste nice at all. Make sure that you taste your sorbet mixture. It has to be a little too tangy so that by the time it freezes and you get to eat it, it'll taste just right. Now let's make our mango sorbet. I have 3 chopped mangoes over here. You can use any variety of your choice. Today I'm using Kesar Mangoes that are not too sweet but not tangy either. Juice of half a lemon and 3/4 cup of sugar syrup. Let's blend this. Let's open and check. There are no chunks in the mango puree now. Our sorbet is ready to set. But before we do that, I'm going to strain the mixture just to get rid of any of the threads that might be there in the mango pulp. So the amount of lemon that you add in your mango sorbet is totally up to you and it's also optional. You can completely leave it out, but it adds a nice acidity to your mango sorbet. So definitely give it a try. Now it's time to freeze this. You're going to freeze the sorbet mixtures for around 3 to 4 hours. This is when ice crystals start to form in the mixture properly and then we're going to grind it. After 3.5 hours, the lemon sorbet is frozen. It has formed ice particles and there's a little bit of liquid left. This is the perfect time to grind it up in your mixer. So I'm just going to add it. Now I'm going to pour it directly into my mixer. And now we're going to blend this completely and turn it into sort of a slushy. Let's open and check. Looks perfect. Now I'm going to add it back to the bowl and I'm going to freeze this again. What we've essentially done is broken bigger ice crystals into smaller ones so that it's nice and easy to scoop later when it's completely frozen. Now we'll do the same thing with the mango sorbet. So in the same mixer, because we've used a little bit of lemon, it won't matter if we don't wash it. I'm going to add in our frozen mango sorbet. Tap it with the spoon, scoop it out and blend it again. This has been freezing for 3 hours and now it's ready to serve. These refreshing sorbets are perfect to beat the heat. Try them out and let me know how they turn out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.